If you've got a black car, you know the struggle of keeping it looking pristine without spending hours on maintenance. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1: Meguiar's A1624 Quick Wax. Let's kick things off with the Meguiar's A1624 Quick Wax, a spray wax that's designed for convenience. Priced attractively, this product caught my attention because it's one of those rare finds that works on both wet and dry paint. If you want a quick solution to add gloss and protection, this is worth a serious look. What makes this product stand out is its ability to be applied in full sun without leaving white residue on your trim, something every black car owner dreads. It creates a deep, dark shine that enhances the sleek look of your car. With over 2,000 purchases just last month, it's clearly popular among DIY enthusiasts. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The ease of a spray-on, wipe-off product means you can quickly add a layer of protection while you're out and about. No more waiting for the perfect weather or worrying about complex application processes. Just spray, wipe, and enjoy that glossy finish. Now, some people complained about the longevity of the shine, saying it doesn't last as long as traditional wax. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who prefers quick touch-ups and doesn't mind reapplying after a few washes, it's not a deal breaker. It's perfect for those of us who want to keep our cars looking fresh effortlessly. This is perfect for you if you're always on the go and want quick results. Skip this one if you're looking for a super long-lasting wax, but for value and ease, it's a steal. Now, if the idea of reapplying wax frequently bothers you, this next product takes a completely different approach that might just be the answer. Product number 2: Renegade Products Graphene Plus Ceramic Polish. Next up, we have the Renegade Products Graphene Plus Ceramic Black Paint Polish, priced at $33.93. This caught my eye because it's specifically designed for black paint, a game changer for anyone who wants that deep, rich shine. If you want a thorough polish that protects and shines, this is definitely worth considering. What's impressive here is the combination of graphene and ceramic technology, which not only corrects imperfections in the paint, but also offers scratch and UV resistance. This means your black car can resist those annoying water spots and maintain its deep color for longer. With 500+ units sold recently, it's definitely making waves in the car care community. Here's why this matters. The proprietary formula allows you to achieve professional results at home. It's like having a mini detailing session every time you use it. You apply it, let it sit, and then wipe it off, revealing a glossy finish that truly pops on black paint. Now, I should mention that some users found the application process a bit tricky, especially if they're used to traditional waxes. But I'll be real with you, once you get the hang of it, the results are absolutely worth it. If you're keen to invest a little time for a more durable shine, this is a fantastic choice. This is for you if you're serious about maintaining that glossy finish and don't mind a slightly complex application. Skip this if you're looking for something super easy, but the results are undeniably rewarding. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on the list is a classic that many swear by, so let's check it out. Product number 3: Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax. Now let's talk about the Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax, another winner from the Meguiar's family. It's priced similarly to the Quick Wax, but offers a more traditional waxing experience. If you want a reliable, long-lasting wax that delivers incredible shine, this is a must-consider. What sets this product apart is its improved formula that provides exceptional water beading and a glossy finish that enhances black paint beautifully. The ease of application is fantastic too. You can spread it on and wipe it off effortlessly, even in the sun. With over 1,000 recent sales, it's clear that many people trust this product. Here's why this matters for you. The synthetic formula creates a protective barrier that guards against UV rays and dirt, ensuring your car looks pristine longer. Plus, the hydrophobic technology means rainwater just rolls off, keeping your car cleaner. However, some users mention that it can take a little longer to cure than expected, which might be frustrating if you're in a hurry. But honestly, I think the results are worth that patience. If you're keen on a wax that gives you that deep, rich shine and protection, you'll love this. This is perfect for you if you take pride in your car's appearance and want something that lasts. Skip this if you're looking for a quick spray solution, but for long-lasting shine, it's hard to beat. Now, if you want to take your shine to the next level, this next product is all about that high gloss finish. Product number 4, Blackline Car Care Blackout Trim and Tire Dressing. Up next is the Blackline Car Care Blackout Trim and Tire Dressing, which is priced at $35.46. You might be wondering why tire dressing is on this list, but trust me, it's critical for maintaining the overall appearance of your black car. If you want your tires and trim to shine as brightly as your paint, this is a fantastic option. The water-based formula restores your tires and trim to a rich satin finish without harsh silicones that can dry things out over time. This is crucial for black cars as it helps prevent fading and keeps everything looking new. Plus, it's made in the USA and has garnered over 300 recent purchases, showing its popularity. Here's why this matters. The no-sling formula means you won't have to deal with messy overspray ruining your paint job. You can confidently apply it and know that your tires will shine without leaving behind a mess. However, some customers pointed out that it requires a couple of applications for the best results. But I'll be honest, if you're serious about your car's overall look, putting in that extra effort is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you want to ensure every aspect of your car looks fantastic. Skip this if you're looking for a quick one-step solution. However, if you're aiming for that complete polished look, this is a solid choice. Alright, that was a great option. But if you want something specifically for tire shine, the next product might just fit the bill perfectly. Product number 5. Meguiar's Ultimate Insane Shine Tire Gel. Finally, we have the Meguiar's Ultimate Insane Shine Tire and Trim Gel, priced at $18.99. This product caught my eye because it specifically targets tires and exterior plastic trim while delivering a remarkable high-gloss finish. If you want your tires to look as good as your paint, you need to hear about this. The advanced synthetic polymer chemistry in this gel means you get a shiny, wet look that lasts. With a rich formula, you can control where you apply it, so there's no overspray to worry about. It's been bought over 200 times recently, proving its popularity among car enthusiasts. What's crucial here is the protection it offers against UV rays, ensuring your tires won't fade or crack over time. Plus, this gel resists rain and washing, so you can enjoy that shine without constantly reapplying. But I did notice some reviews mentioning that the gel can be a bit thick to apply, which might frustrate some users. But honestly, if you're willing to invest a little time to get that perfect finish, it's worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a tire product that delivers a show-ready finish. Skip this if you prefer a lighter spray, but if you're into that deep, shiny look, it's an outstanding choice. Now, as we wrap things up, let's compare these 5 amazing products. So there you have it, 5 fantastic options for easy-to-use waxes and products for your black car. Quick recap. Meguiar's A1624 Quick Wax is great for ease, while Renegade's Polish is perfect for serious enthusiasts. Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax offers long-lasting shine, Blackline's Dressing keeps your tires looking sharp, and Meguiar's Tire Gel delivers that insane gloss. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with Meguiar's Ultimate Liquid Wax because its long-lasting protection and ease of use make it a standout choice for maintaining that deep black shine. But I'd avoid the Renegade product's graphene plus ceramic polish if you're not up for a detailed application process. It's great, but not for everyone. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.